The imageRUNNER Advance can scan hard copy documents and convert them to Microsoft Word or PowerPoint before sending them to their destination. This feature allows for the information on hard copy documents to become more usable and easily be edited or combined with existing digital information. Go ahead and place your document in the feeder or on the platen glass. From the main menu, press the Scan and Send function. You can scan and send hard copy documents to a variety of destinations, including an email address stored in the address book, a one-touch button, enter new destination, a personal folder set up by your IT administrator, or send to myself, which sends to an email address that is tied to your login information. In this example, we will send the document using the address book. Simply select Address Book and choose the destination you'd like to send to. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can change a variety of settings, including scanning in color or black and white, scan resolution, scan size, and file format. The two buttons shown here for two-sided original and different size original are shortcut keys that can be replaced with commonly accessed send functions, like entering a file name, for example. In this example, we want to change the file format from the default, which is PDF, to OOXML Word. Press the File Format button to display additional options. You can choose from a variety of file types, including JPEG, PDF, TIFF, XPS, and OOXML. Select OOXML. Then Word. This will convert your hard copy document into a docx file that can be opened in your Word processor. This feature allows for the information on hard copy documents to become more usable and easily be edited or combined with existing digital information. OOXML PowerPoint is also available, which will send a PPTX file that can be opened in PowerPoint. Press OK to close the file format window. Next, give the file a name so that you can recognize it more easily. Press the Options button to display a list of options. Use the down arrow to scroll through the options and find the File Name option. Press the File Name button and tap the File Name field. Go ahead and name this Report_HR. Press OK to close the window. Press OK again. And then Close to return to the Scan and Send screen. Press Start on the control panel to scan and send the document. You've now scanned a hard copy document to be sent as an editable Word document.